And on behalf of the World Cycling Day, we are organizing an interfaith cycling rally on the 3rd of June to raise awareness about the pollution and urgent need to carry out this pollution control regarding environment. So today pollution is affecting not just us, so it's also affecting our children and the coming people. Okay, so here we are organizing this rally through which we wish to appeal to people who love cycling to come out on this day with your cycles to pedal for pollution free environment, and also to encourage your friends and family members to be out in larger number. This is not about number, this is only for the purpose. The purpose is we want to spread environment the environment control, you see, the pollution control. So we are here with this program on 3rd of June starting at 8 o'clock in the morning from St. Anne's Church, and so we would like you all to come in big numbers and be a part of this event.